Why are keyframes important for cell animation? Imagine trying to draw a smooth, flowing dance without knowing the main steps. That's what animation would be like without keyframes. They are the main points that tell the story of a character's movement or expression. In the classic and golden age of animation, keyframes were the starting and ending moments of emotion. They serve as the blueprint for the entire sequence. When lead animators draw these keyframes, they focus on capturing the most important poses and emotions. Then, assistant animators fill in the gaps with in-between frames. This process, called in-betweening, makes the movement look natural and fluid. In cell animation, where each drawing is made on transparent sheets called cels, keyframes help keep everything organized. They show the major beats of a scene, so everyone knows where the action begins and ends. This makes the workflow smoother and more efficient. Without keyframes, it would be hard to keep the character's design consistent from one frame to the next. They also help control the timing and spacing of movements. For example, a jump or a punch needs to happen at just the right speed to look believable. Keyframes make sure that happens. They also allow artists to focus on the most important parts of a scene. Instead of drawing every single frame from scratch, they work on the key moments first. This saves time and effort, especially since hand-drawn animation is very labor-intensive. The keyframes act as anchors, guiding the animation and making sure the story stays clear. They help create a sense of rhythm and emotion, highlighting the most expressive parts of a scene. In the early days of animation, pioneers used keyframes to develop new techniques. They experimented with timing, exaggeration, and pose-to-pose animation. These techniques are still used today because they make animation more lively and engaging. Without keyframes, it would be nearly impossible to produce the smooth, dynamic sequences we love from the golden age of cartoons. They are the backbone of cell animation, giving structure to the creative process and ensuring that every movement makes sense. So, in simple terms, keyframes are what make animated characters come alive with clarity, consistency, and energy.